The GE Quiet Power 3 dishwasher, though no longer in production, is still found in many homes today. These units are now typically 10 to 15 years old as of 2025. A reset can often resolve common issues stemming from control panel malfunctions, drainage problems, or sensor errors. Let's explore 3 primary reset procedures you can try. The first method is the basic control reset. This involves pressing and holding the Start Reset button for 3 to 5 seconds until all indicator lights turn off. Then close the door, select a new cycle, and press Start. This basic reset resolves many minor control issues. If the basic reset doesn't work, try a hard reset by turning off the dishwasher at the control panel, then switching off the circuit breaker for 5 minutes. This 5-minute wait clears the control board memory completely. After restoring power, wait 2 minutes before attempting to operate the dishwasher. The third method is the door reset sequence. Open the door during operation, press Start Reset, then close the door within 3 seconds. Finally, press Start Reset again to either resume the current cycle or select a new cycle. This method is useful when you need to interrupt an ongoing wash. These 3 reset methods can resolve most common issues with your GE Quiet Power 3 dishwasher. Try the basic control reset first, then the hard reset if needed, and use the door reset for interrupting cycles. When basic resets don't solve the problem, your GE Quiet Power 3 dishwasher has a powerful built-in diagnostic system that can help identify specific issues. To access diagnostic mode, press and hold both the heated dry and normal wash buttons simultaneously for exactly 5 seconds. Once in diagnostic mode, LED lights on the control panel will display error codes. Each code corresponds to a specific problem that needs attention. Beyond diagnostics, regular maintenance is essential for keeping your dishwasher running efficiently. Monthly maintenance tasks are the foundation of proper care. Quarterly maintenance involves more thorough inspections and testing to ensure all systems are functioning properly. Annual professional service provides comprehensive inspection and maintenance that goes beyond what homeowners can typically perform. While these maintenance practices can extend your dishwasher's life, it's important to understand the limitations of older appliances and consider future replacement options.